The Mack unit shown here is an ECU out of a Mack truck built in 1990s. This specific one came out of an E7350V Mack 1 from 1994. We received both main ECUs, and the ECU shown here was dead shorted and burned internally. The dead shorted ECU was repaired and then connected to the other ECU to test. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.